To use PayPal in a grocery store effectively, start by ensuring your PayPal account is set up and funded. You can fund your account by linking a credit or debit card, or by transferring money from your bank account. Next, check if the grocery store you are shopping at accepts PayPal as a payment method. Many grocery stores now have contactless payment options, including PayPal, at their checkout counters. If the store accepts PayPal, you can use the PayPal app on your mobile device to make payments. Open the PayPal app, navigate to the Payment section, and select the option to pay with PayPal. You may be prompted to log into your account or enter a PIN for security. When you are ready to check out, let the cashier know that you would like to pay with PayPal. They will then prompt you to hold your mobile device near the contactless payment terminal. The terminal will read the payment information from your device, and the payment will be processed. Alternatively, some grocery stores may have a QR code that you can scan with your PayPal app to make a payment. In this case, open the PayPal app, navigate to the QR code scanner, and scan the code displayed at the checkout counter. Follow the prompts to complete the payment. To get the best out of using PayPal in a grocery store, make sure to take advantage of any rewards or cashback offers that PayPal provides. You can also use the PayPal app to track your spending and stay on top of your finances. In addition, consider using the PayPal Cash Card, which allows you to access your PayPal funds at ATMs and makes purchases in stores. This can be a convenient option if you need to make a purchase and do not have your mobile device with you. Overall, using PayPal in a grocery store is a convenient and secure way to make payments. By following these steps and taking advantage of the features and rewards that PayPal offers, you can make the most out of your shopping experience.